All right, fellas, to change these header widths on your file manager screen or to eliminate one, you can see I've deleted the file size, the kilobyte size. So I just show the name when it was last modified and then the comment, right? So you're going to go over here to maintenance and the system settings and then the set MMI config. And you're going to page down to page 3, and that's going to bring up the list, the file list. There's the name. This is this in the different ones, and you can see I've shrunk those down. There's the size. I've eliminated it, right? But those are it. These right here, those five there, those settings. So you have about 800 characters across. Size is about 800. So this roughly needs to equal about 800. So if you make one bigger, you got to make one smaller if you want to keep it on the screen. And then you can see there, as I was talking, the size, I went that to 0. And then on the same screen, your file sorting is there too. And if you highlight this one, it actually gives you a little bit of a hint down here, and it'll tell you, 0, it's going to be alphabetical. 1, it's going to be by name. 2, it's going to be by date, late to early. 3 is early to late. And then you just pick which one you want, and that's how it'll be sorted the next time you boot your machine. So that's it. Hope this helps.